size comparison between the Zippo Slim and the Zippo Classics, the windproof Classic with gliders, normal Zippo, and the Zippo Slim. As you can see, about the same height. I would say maybe the Classic is, no, they're probably about the same exact height. If you can see how big the lid is, the Classic has a bigger lid overall, but it's set lower down than on the Slim. You can see the lid is higher, the body of it is longer than the Classic. It's obviously smaller that way. It's slimmer, hence the name. And this is where most of it is the difference. You can see how much flatter the Slim is compared to that. This thing is really small. And again, this is a better way you can see the hinge, how much smaller the lid is on the Slim than it is on the Classic. The view like that. Bottom stamps, it's skinnier overall. Now the inside, the Slim has a smaller chimney, a much smaller cam. Here, let's take them out. A much smaller cam, smaller chimney. Looks like the same sized flint wheel though. See that? Slims have this weird like wave. The Classics don't, they're flat. The Slims don't have this bump here, but not all the Zippos have this. I've got a 52 that doesn't have it, and I think my 90s doesn't have it either. But this insert was made in 2010, I think, for this a 1971 Zippo case, because yeah, it was broken, so I sent it in and got the old case. But yeah, beside the point. See different size. Put it back in there. That's pretty much the size comparison. There's clearly the Slim is smaller, hence the name Slim, but it's got a much smaller lid but longer body.